Good evening, friends. Happy to announce that I have received some goodies from Google Cloud and arcade games. Qwicklabs. There is a healthy competition between me and my daughter as far as studies are concerned. Recently, she has completed a few arcade challenges by Qwicklabs and received some goodies from Google Cloud. That made me think whether I can adopt the same thing and get these Google goodies for me. And I have followed it. I have completed 4 challenges and got this. So I'm equally excited as you. What is there inside this Google goodies? So let's unpack, let's unbox it. In all, I had earned 4 points, but arcade games have provided me another 1 point. They have provided 1 point for everyone. So I was with 5 points. For 3 points, this was the pouch what I have received, and for remaining 2 points, these 2 stickers, fantastic stickers by Google Cloud, I have received. This is a fantastic pouch with number of compartments, multi-purpose, multi-use pouch, and I can use it for. There are plannings going on in my head for what purpose I can use it, for how handily I can use it for my daily purpose. Number of compartments and fantastic. The quality is really very excellent. The quality is really very excellent. These are the various compartments in the pouch. The quality is really very excellent. So thank you Google Cloud, thank you Arcade Games, and thank you Qwicklabs for providing me the opportunity to explore my skills and then appreciating my efforts by providing such nice goodies. Thank you all.